So now we're going to talk a little bit more about proactive management of incidents and automatic alerts. Okay, identifying and managing potential problems before they even occur is an essential part of a successful ITSM service desk. The idea here is to anticipate and resolve issues before they become critical, minimizing the impact on end users and on the organization's operations. Now, how can C2 facilitate proactive management? We can connect C2 with external monitoring systems to watch your CPU usage, your servers, etc. Or we can create automated alerts that can be escalated for a quick intervention. Now we're going to talk a little bit more about automatic alerts. The purpose, like I said, is to take action as soon as an incident is detected. How is an incident detected? We have different ways. It can be a user who identifies an issue and submits a critical ticket. It can be a user calling by phone the support team, and the support team creates the ticket. It can be a ticket created through a process as a response to a certain trigger, or it can be an alert from an external monitoring tool that can create a ticket in C2. In that case, we can use an API call or an email to trigger a ticket creation. Now let's talk about some practical examples of alerts. So like I said previously, we can connect C2 to different external networking monitoring tools that can watch your CPU, your disk space, etc. Here, let's focus on an example that we can implement within C2. Okay, so say you have a service contract configuration item in your CMDB, and this item has an expiration date. We can create a process that would monitor this date, and when the expiration date is reached, it will trigger the creation of a new ticket to remind a resource or a group to renew the service contract. And we can use the same principle to create preventive maintenance for any item of your CMDB. This type of alert will help minimize service interruption and decrease equipment failure.